Personalized health monitoring kit using STM32F103C8T6 Blue Pill Development Board. Hi everyone, my name is Dr. KONARK'S Sharma. In this lecture, we will learn about the basic overview of personalized health monitoring kit using STM32F103C8T6 Blue Pill Development Board from Ajay Pal Singh, Dhruv Rastogi and Manit Singh. Upon completion of this lecture, learners will be able to understand about the basic overview of personalized health monitoring kit using STM32F103C8T6 Blue Pill Development Board. So, let's get it started.
KONARK'S Research, subscribe now.
Hello, we are Team 22 from CSE Section 3. We have developed a personal health monitoring kit. My name is Ajay Pal Singh and my roll number is 23 UCS 1722. I have worked on the front end and the circuit design.
My name is Manit Singh and my roll number is 2023 UCS 1709 and I've worked on the back-end development of the application.
My name is Dhruv Rastogi. My roll number is 2023 UCS 1691 and I've worked on the circuit acquisition and circuit assembly. For a personalized health monitoring kit, I've decided here to focus more on the components aspect of our project. First, we have the MAX30102 sensor that records the patient's heart rate and SpO2, meaning the amount of oxygen in their blood. Right. Moving on, we have the MLX90614 sensor that records the temperature of a patient. And then finally, we have the ESP8266 Wi-Fi module that transmits all of this collected data onto our cloud servers so that they can be presented in an easily digestible manner. Right. Additionally, to provide battery in case of no continuous power supply, we have lithium batteries with charging modules, and again all of this was soldered onto a PCB zero socket.
So our product uses STM32 microcontroller. Most of the health monitoring kits use Arduino based solutions, which is pretty expensive. So our solution is way cheaper than that. And talking about the software side of the product, so what happens is when you place your finger on the sensor, what happens, the data goes from the sensors to the cloud database, and then it's fetched from a Flutter application that is based. For the backend, we are using Golang, which is a high processing language, and then the data is shown to the user in their application on their profiles.
Hello everybody, my name is Ajay Pal Singh and today I'll be demonstrating the personal health monitoring station that we have developed. So first of all, I'll start by placing my two fingers on the sensors. One is for the heart rate and SpO2 and one is for the temperature. Then I'll start by pressing the button. We can see that the reading has started with the indication of the yellow light and that it has completed successfully with the indication of the green light. Now I can remove my fingers. Now we can go to the mobile application and we can see by refreshing that the latest data has come of 1518. As you can see the time on the top, 1518, and my recording has come. Thank you everyone.
Finally, we would like to cooperate with you according to the best of our knowledge. Keep your feedback and suggestions coming. They help us to provide you quality work that resonates with your needs and requirements. Thanks much for sharing your kind suggestions. Keep healthy, keep learning, and keep growing.
KONARK'S Research, subscribe now.